gorgeous people. This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's Thrifty Thursday, and on this video, I have for you a shoe haul. So I'm going to split these shoe hauls up into no more than 6 pairs because I feel like I want to enjoy unboxing these with you guys. And if I do the full haul that I got, it will be a long video if I'm going to enjoy it. So I'm going to go ahead and split these up into like maximum of 6 pairs is my thought. So I do have a lot of multiple pairs, like I got multiple colors, but I'm still just going to do 6 pairs per video so that I can enjoy the unboxing, show you the shoes, try on the shoes, and do the whole shebang for you guys, okay? So this particular haul, I got 12 pairs total, but I'm only going to do 6 pairs on this video, then I'll do 6 pairs on the next video, and they were from a company called Chic. I'd never heard of this company. I was just Googling some affordable high-heeled shoes, came across this company, and oh my gosh, you want to talk about affordable, amazing heels. I am super excited to share this haul with you guys, so without further ado, let's see what I got. Okay guys, so the shoes that I'm going to show you in this particular order, I did not have to pay shipping on. Now the next order I did have to pay shipping because not all shoes qualify for the free shipping, but I'll get into that with that next order. But this order was free shipping, so the price that I'm telling you I paid is exactly what I paid plus tax. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with this pair of shoes here, and we're going to open this up. Now I did pre-open all this stuff guys, so I did see the order and actually tried some of them on, so I'm super excited. But hello. Guys, I love me stiletto heels, but heelless are my favorite, but these are gorgeous. Look at all the buckles. I love the bright, shiny leather. It is open toe. This is a sexy shoe. I'm just saying, right? So it does zip up the back. Zipper is kind of jacked, but you know. These shoes are affordable. I'm just lying. Okay, so my only complaint about the shoes is that the bottom, so far, I haven't tried them on and actually walked in them. I just like put my foot in one of the shoes just to see how they felt, but I haven't walked in them yet, so I'll give you my, 2 cents on that when I do the try on. But the bottom of the soles, yeah, this rubber feels like it's going to grip, but it's not the good gripping rubber that I would love to have with shoes. I don't understand why shoemakers just don't spring for the best thing that would give you stability, because if you're wearing this, you know what I'm saying? You're wearing this. I want to make sure that I'm not going to fall. So having a slippery bottom or a bottom that doesn't have good tread just doesn't work for me. But I always add one of those gripper things, but I feel like I shouldn't have to. Like, why can't you just make the shoes right to begin with? And then, of course, right here, they never, and I do mean never, almost never, put something that has good grip on the heel part, which I don't get why they don't do that. So anyways, these are advertised as a 6-inch heel, which is stellar, right? We're going to measure it though, because sometimes they advertise this stuff incorrectly. So I will measure the shoe and make sure that it is indeed 6 inches. And I paid $14.99 for this pair of shoes. Now that's a little more than I wanted to pay. I like to be in that $10 and under range, but I thought these were super cute. And I was on a shopping spree, so do you guys love the muffler? That's awesome. I don't know if you could hear it or not, but I sure could. Nonetheless, I was on a shopping spree, so, sometimes I splurge a little bit and spend more than I normally would because the shoes were so super cute. All right, let's go ahead and measure them. I can take a picture of the measurement so you guys can see. Oh, yeah, they nailed it, man. 6 inches. Guys, I'm so pumped. Okay, so this is a super sexy shoe. Super excited to try this on for you. All right, the next pair, also, it looks to be the same brand, so same type of shoe box. Ooh, yes, these are pretty. Let's fix the little chain here so you guys can get the full effect. Look at how pretty these are. Yes! They are a velvet black stiletto with these gorgeous, I do mean gorgeous, gold chains on them. So listen, guys, I have another pair similar to this that has gold chains on it. But I love the look of this. I think it's so awesome. But when you walk, that's what you get. I'm just saying. Like, you can hear the chains moving when I walk, so I wouldn't be able to, like, sneak up on anybody. Oh, dang, man. Okay, this is the worst thing a shoemaker can do. Put velvet on the bottom of my 6-inch stiletto shoe. Hello? I'm going to be sliding all over the place. Why would you ever do that to any pair of shoes, let alone a pair of 6-inch stilettos? Huge mistake. hate this, hate this, hate this. But the rest of the shoe is pretty awesome. So we'll just have to see how that goes. But I'm not excited about the velvet bottom. That's the worst thing shoemakers can do. So this one, I know I paid $14.99 for it. Sorry, I'm talking away from you guys. I paid $14.99 for it. Let's take a look. All of these are a size 6, by the way. And let's take a look how they advertise it. Yeah, they advertise this as a 6-inch heel. I'm going to go ahead and measure it and make sure it is just that. It looks as though it is, so that's exciting, right? Oh, yes. Yes. They're nailing it so far. Okay, so this is awesome. This is a 6-inch velvet stiletto, and this kind of twirled out of place. What's up? Can you guys see that? If I zoom in on it, it's like out of place. I'm gonna have to get my pliers and put that back where it's supposed to go. But again, you're getting affordable shoes. I don't know what the original price. Let's see, $39.99 for these ones. And I got them for $14.99. So that's super exciting. Let's go ahead. I'm sorry, guys. I'm like all over the place. Let's go ahead and take a look at the original price of the other shoes that I just showed you, just so that I can give you guys a comparison. $29.99. So, gosh, I only got like half off on those. What was I thinking? Okay, so let's go ahead and switcheroo some stuff out here so that I can show you the rest of the haul. Awesome. This is so organized. My shoe hauls are going to be a train wreck. I guess I'm going to have to get better organization before I do these. Okay, so this is the Chic brand shoe. So they have their little logo at the top there with their name. So let's go ahead and pop these bad boys. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. So I got these gorgeous heelless tan studded shoes. How cute are these guys? Ah, this is awesome. Yes. Oh, yes. Look. This is what you want to see. They have like grooves and stuff in there to help with gripping. This rubber feels amazing. So they know how to make their shoes. I'm just saying. This is awesome. I'm really excited about this one. Has the nice curved heel with all of the little studs on it. Love it, love it, love it. So I believe I paid $11.99 for this one. Let's check. Yes, I paid $11.99 for this shoe. It is a size 6. And they advertise this as a 6-inch heel. I don't know that that's correct. We're about to find out. I think it might be a little bit lower than that. I don't know. We'll see. They've been right so far. It's right! Ah! Oh my god, this is so exciting. Okay, I'm sorry. I just like lost it right there because it's so rare for me to find 6-inchers. So this place is nailing it. $11.99 for this shoe. Great deal. $2 over my normal $10 and below budget. But hey, I'll take it. Anytime it's heelless, I'm definitely willing to pay more because this is my favorite style shoe. Okay, so I also got this in a black color. So I'm going to assume, because it's the same box, that's what this is. So I'll try all these on for you guys. Yep. Look at this, guys. Gorgeous! Ah! Oh, we got the blacks. Oh, they did such a great job. Oh, these are perfect. Perfect. I love the rubber sole. Oh my gosh, this is a great shoe. It looks like it's going to be so super comfortable. Super excited about these. Okay, so I don't need to measure that heel because you guys just saw me measure it and it was correct. Okay. So let's go ahead and move on to the pairs that I have over here. I need to get a better setup, guys. No doubt, no doubt. Need to get a better setup. Okay. My tape measure just fell. Look. And this little heart is moving. Awesome. Okay, so here we go. Another one that is the Chic brand, which I'm really excited about because that last pair was made exactly how I want a shoe to be made. Oh, these are Oh, okay. Yeah, I think these are going to work. Look. So gorgeous, right? This is a beautiful gold heelless Mary Jane style shoe. It does have grooves in the rubber. I think this rubber is going to be perfectly fine, just like the other one. I'm super excited. It feels really good. So I think I'm going to be able to walk in these just fine. They're going to be super comfortable. I probably can run because the grip of the rubber is going to be really good. So I'm really excited about this one. So let's take a look, guys. I paid $11.99 for this shoe. It is a size 6. And, oh, it's a 5.5-inch heel. Well, I just got deflated. I probably got it because sometimes I'm willing to pay that if it's a curved heel because this is such a gorgeous style heel. I just love these kinds of heels. So let's go ahead and measure it. Oh, I dropped the tape measure. So I'll be back because you guys know I don't like to have this empty space when I pick stuff up. So I'll be right back in a second. Okay, guys, so a couple of things. The reason why I don't like to have this empty space is because sometimes it takes me a while to pick stuff up, like to find it and pick it up and all that, and get myself situated after I come back up. But listen, First of all, they measured the heel wrong, okay? So I'm looking at this, and I will take a picture. We're like at a 5.75-inch heel, pretty darn close to 6. Pretty excited about that. But look at the inside of this, guys. Look. So it says $9.98, and it's a size 7. So did I get overcharged for this shoe? I'm just saying. I am just saying. It says gold curved wedge. $9.98. I paid $11.99. Just saying. And I thought that was a good deal. My thought is they did a buyout on these shoes. Obviously, these were somewhere else at some other store or something like that. So they must have did a massive buyout, and then they marked them up just enough to make a profit. So that's interesting, because they left that on the inside there. Just saying, I didn't notice that before. So, okay, awesome. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and take a look at the last pair, which is this one too. Also, the Chic brand. I believe it's that same one. Oh yeah, in silver. Okay, so it's the exact same shoe in a silver style. So pretty, right guys? And yep, we got the good rubber sole. I am super excited. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about these shoes. These are so pretty. Guys, I am super stoked. Okay, so this is my first order of shoes, right? I have another, this order was 12 pairs. I have another order, I think it has 22 pairs. And then I have an order after that, I think it's like 11 pairs. Okay, so that's just from this company. I did some other shopping at some other companies. So you guys are going to see quite a few shoe hauls coming up on this channel. And some of them are so fun and so crazy. I can't wait to try them on. I'm super excited. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and try these shoes on for you guys, give you guys my thoughts about how they fit and how they feel when I walk in them, and then we will close this video out. Okay guys, we'll go ahead and start with the first pair that I showed you, which are the 6-inch stiletto, gorgeous, shiny pleather heels. Loving them. They look so awesome, guys. I really love the way that they look, and I also love the way that they feel. They're super comfortable. Now let me just tell you, I didn't want to do this in my hallway here because the carpeting's kind of thick, but this was the only place I had to show you guys these today because it's raining outside, so this was the best that I can do. But I wanted to show you on a flatter surface so you can really see me walking these, but I love them. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and show you the velvet stilettos with the chains. I love these ones as well, guys. These ones were super, super comfy. And again, I am walking on very thick carpeting, which is kind of hard to do. I'm just going to say that. And I did okay, but I have limited space here. But nonetheless, you guys get the idea. You can see how they look, and I can tell you right now that they feel super, super comfortable. I could definitely see myself wearing these quite often, and the chains didn't rattle that much. Super excited. Okay, so now we're moving on to those heelless khaki shoes. Oh my gosh, I love these so very much. They are so incredibly comfortable. I am so happy that I found these shoes. I know that it looks like I'm struggling a little bit here, guys, but honestly, it's really hard to walk in these kinds of shoes on thick carpeting. I'm just gonna say that. It's hard for anybody. I would rather have a flat surface. So hopefully the next time I do my try-ons, I'll be able to show you guys these outside on my deck because that is a much wider space and I could really give you guys a feel for what these shoes are like, but I absolutely love them. They are extremely comfortable. So we'll go ahead and jump into the black pair too, just so you guys can get a feel for what both of them look like. I personally think that the black pair looks better against my skin, but I would definitely get use out of both pairs of shoes because, guys, I love the heelless style shoe. This is my favorite style shoe, hands down. I will buy every single pair that I see, most likely every time I can. Okay, we're moving on to these gorgeous gold ones. Guys, look how they shine. Oh my gosh, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous Mary Jane style shoe. I absolutely love these heels. They are so incredibly comfortable. Guys, with the tread that they put on the bottom of these, I could honestly run a marathon. They have extra great grip. I'm super, super happy with these ones. So glad that I found them. And you know what? I actually have a black pair on the way. The black pair wasn't available when I ordered these ones, but I got them coming. And then look at this silver. Oh my gosh, look at those. I mean, it looks like I have diamonds on my feet. These are just so gorgeous, guys. I absolutely love them. Absolutely think that the silver ones look better on me than the gold ones, but you know what? I'm going to be wearing both of them. I can promise you that. All right, guys, that's all I got for you on this try-on. Let's go ahead and jump into final thoughts. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed my little shoe fashion show. I love shoes. I am a shoe-aholic, specifically heels. I do not like to wear flat shoes. Yes, I do own some flat shoes that I wear like around the house. I would never leave my house in a flat pair of shoes ever. ever. So I always have my crazy heels on anytime I go anywhere, even if it's just to run to the store, like the grocery store downtown for just a few minutes. I'm still going to wear heels. I'm just saying. That's the way that I'm built. That's the way that I am. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye! What's up, gorgeous? You see that? Oh no, it's like sticking straight up. All right, this is Ambassador's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Thrifty Thursday. Yeah, I think this is too low too. Okay, I'm gonna fix the camera. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Thrifty Thursday. Here we go again. I'm gonna have to change the name because I can't say it. I'm just saying. Try it again. We're going to go ahead and start working on this order. We'll start with this pair of shoes. So they come in their shoe boxes, of course, because you're getting these brand new from this company. This is not a used company place. I'm starting over. The next order, I didn't get free shipping on it, so I'll go over that when I do that one. But I just want to let you guys know the prices that I'm telling you are the prices I paid. Yeah! Yeah. Let me try it again. Okay, guys, so the... Being sick sucks. I'm just lying. Let's try it again. Okay, guys, so the... Does that sound weird? Okay! Ah! All right, try it again. Okay, guys, so the shoes that I'm going to show you in this order were... I am doing awesome. I think I'm not going to... No, I'm going to do this because I want to wear these shoes. All right, try it again. But they never do. But as long as I can get my good tread here, I'm good with it. But these ones... I don't know. You know what? I don't have my tape measure, do I? Okay. So we have to do that whole thing again.